How to add a music in CapCut. This tutorial shows you how to add a soundtrack to your video on your Android device. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device. After that, tap on your project or create a new one and import your clip. From there, tap on Audio at the bottom toolbar to open the audio options. At this point, you'll see several options including sounds, effects, extracted, and more. In the next step, tap on Sounds to browse and add music to your video. Following this, if you want to use a track from CapCut's built-in library, browse through the categories or use the search bar to find a specific song. Once done, tap on any track to preview it and tap the plus icon to add it to your video. From here, if you want to use a song saved on your device instead, tap on Device and browse through your local music files. At this stage, tap on the song you want to select it, and it will be added to your timeline. Finally, drag the edges of the audio track on the timeline to trim it and adjust where the music starts and ends to match your video perfectly. And that's it. If this CapCut guide helped you add music to your video, give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.